A lot of my friends and family have been asking me for plant-based protein. Meat ke alawa, where do you get protein? And I always have different ideas for them. But today I want to show you a very easy and quick recipe full of protein, full of goodness and very healthy. It's using this amazing frozen quinoa patty. Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Goeld presents What's in My Fridge.
Quinoa patty as a product is hard to find in the market, and that's why I really like this one from Goeld. And each bite promises to take you on a culinary experience. Worth a shot, right?
So here I have the Goeld quinoa patty. Now what I love about this quinoa patty is it's power packed, it's healthy, it's full of flavor, but I am going to be enhancing it by using chola or chickpeas or rajma or kidney beans. So we're going to make a salad and a hummus and put it all together. It's going to be delicious, nutritious and full of protein. So let's see the ingredients and let's get cooking. So now that I have my quinoa patty with me, I am going to first show you how do we make the hummus. For that we need chickpeas which have been boiled. The best way to use chickpeas is to soak them overnight and then boil them in a pressure cooker if you're doing it quick for about 5 to 6 whistles and then cool it down. You don't want to put hot chickpeas into a blender because that's bad for your blender and the chickpeas are not going to be cooked enough. So the first thing that we'll do is add the chickpeas. So into the chickpeas, I'm going to be adding some garlic, a little bit of salt, some herbs, and since I want to make a little twist to this hummus, I'm adding some chili paste, a few olives, and some olive oil, and a good squeeze of lemon. If you have tahini paste, you can use tahini paste, and since I don't have any in my fridge, I'm making this chili garlic version of a hummus. But the best part about hummus is it's the easiest way to eat chickpeas. You can add boiled carrots, you can add boiled beetroots, you can add spinach, you can make different colors of hummus and it's very healthy. So you can see that our hummus is nice and smooth. Chili garlic hummus, full of goodness of protein, lots of flavor. So for the next step, we are going to cook our quinoa patty. A little bit of oil. So now that our pan is nice and hot, we'll place our Goeld frozen quinoa patties. And we let them cook. While that's happening, we will get our rajma or kidney bean salad ready. So in a bowl, take your rajma. This is boiled rajma, again best to soak it and then cook it. Into this we will add some boiled corn. So we want to make this as healthy as possible. So boiled corn, boiled peas, some olives, some cherry tomatoes. Let's have a look at the quinoa patties. They should be nice and golden. You can deep fry them, you can shallow fry them, you can air fry them. I prefer using this method. Just a little bit of oil. So for our 2-bean salad, what we've done is we've put some rajma or kidney beans which are boiled. We've added some boiled corn, some mutton or peas. We've added some olives, we've added some cherry tomatoes. I'm just chopping up some fresh basil and some fresh parsley. Lots of freshness, lots of protein, very, very healthy and very easy to make. Let's have a look at our quinoa patties. They're getting nice and golden brown. So now that our quinoa patties are ready, I'm going to quickly make a lemon and herb dressing. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Some fresh lemon juice. We're going to be adding all our herbs, fresh herbs. Some coriander as well. A little bit of rosemary. Thyme. So all your fresh herbs have gone. Now I'll be adding some dried herbs as well. So dried oregano, dried mixed herbs, chilli flakes, and some cumin powder. Just mix all this up well. Little bit of salt to just season this. And this will get added to your kidney beans, boiled corn and mutton or peas. You can see how fresh this looks. Just like this, it's a yummy salad to have. So we are ready to plate. We'll take our chili garlic hummus. Use the back of a spoon and just swish around. This is what they do in all the Mediterranean, Middle Eastern restaurants. So even if I'm cooking the simplest of dishes at home, even if it's just aloo sabzi or dal roti or whatever it might be, I love plating it because I think it adds so much more fun. When you look at it, you want to eat it. Ultimately, the first thing that you do is eat with your eyes. So this is your mixed bean salad and it looks so colorful. We'll take our quinoa patty, cut it into half. And we'll add a little more salad. Top it up with some fresh microgreens. So adding microgreens to your dishes also adds a lot of nutritional value. So it's lovely to do that. And lastly, a little bit. You can never have too less olive oil. So there you have it, my quick 2-bean salad with quinoa patty. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. It looks delicious, nutritious, and I know it's healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy 2-bean salad with quinoa patty. It's healthy, it's nutritious, and it's delicious. Do let us know in the comments below when you try it at home. I will catch you again next week on another episode of Goeld Presents What's in My Fridge.